Hi everyone, you are welcome to OTE Academy. Welcome to OTE Academy. My name is Olaoluwa Bamitale, and in today's webinar, we are going to be learning a lot of things, new things, probably things you've never had before. So I just want you to sit down and relax. You can get a pen and paper or a notepad or something to write down. And if you can hear me clearly, also, you can just type yes in the comment section, or you can drop some emoji in the comment section. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. So if you can hear me clearly, just drop an emoji in the comment section, or you can drop yes in the comment section. Yes, if you can hear me, thank you. Yes, thank you so much. I believe everyone can hear me clearly. So, who is Olaoluwa Bamitale? Let me tell you a little about myself. Little about myself. As I mentioned, my name is Olaoluwa Bamitale. They call me FX Solution, Forex Solution. That's my nickname, my pseudonym. And the reason why I'm being called FX Solution is because I have solutions to most of your Forex trading problems. Solutions, I'm a solution provider to most of your Forex trading problems. So you can always call us. You can call me anytime. I will provide solution to that problem, that thing that's giving you a lot of headache. I have the solution here. That's why they call me a first solution. Don't worry, I will show you what I've done for myself. I'm the managing director of OTE Academy or OTE Traders. So OTE is a group of companies whereby we have OTE Academy, which focus on education, and we have OTE Traders, which focus on the trading aspect, maybe coding of bots, selling of bots, trading, and all that. So it's two in one company. We have OTE Academy and we have OTE Traders, and I'm the managing director. I've been trading actively since 2018. That was when I learned about forex trading. I've been learning about forex trading before then, but one of the things I told myself, or I told myself, this is gambling, and I don't gamble. So I told myself, no, I'm not going to do this. This is gambling. Not until I have the deep understanding, which I believe some of you might still be thinking, forex trading is gambling. But the little question that helped me is this: if forex trading is gambling, why why do they do it? Why do they do it? Because I know banks, they have regulation, they don't gamble. And most of the banks are in the market. Have you ever heard of any bank playing sporty bets, like all those bets? They don't do it. Casino, banks don't do that. They don't do that. But they trade forex. For them to trade forex, that means it is not gambling. Anyway, forex trading can be gambling if you are doing it without the knowledge of it. Maybe you just see buy sell. Which one should I do? Should I click buy? Should I click sell? It can be gambling for you. Okay. But if you are doing it with the understanding of what the market is saying, you know what you are doing. It is not gambling. I can tell you that for free. And also, we tell me gambling. If you are changing Kenyan shillings to naira, or you are changing naira to dollar, will you say call that gambling? So forex trading is practically exchanging one currency to the other with the purpose of making money, not just exchanging. So that is forex trading, and it is never gambling. It took me a lot of time to actually know that. This one is very important. I have 5 years experience with 3 different brokers. What does that mean? I work as a staff for 3 different brokers. That means I wake up every morning, I go to the office as a staff of a forex broker. I don't know, maybe you get it. So, and that means I put a call. Maybe you've been using a broker and you see some guys who put a call to you, oh, Mr. Marvelous, you open an account with us and you've not funded your account. Do you have any deals? Do you have experience in trading? I actually work as one of those guys that always put a call to clients that open an account, tell them, oh, trade forex, this and that, we provide this. At the end of the day, you get your finger burned. And during these 5 years, I work with more than 10,000 clients that I work with during these 5 years. A lot of traders. I've seen a lot. I've seen it all. And one thing I can tell you for free, just very few people are making money from consistent profit. I've seen people that will trade today, they make $2,000, come in 2 weeks, they've blown their account, they found $200, they go into $2,000 or $3,000, come in 2-3 weeks, they've blown it. I've seen many of them. But those that have been making money consistently, like month in, month out, they are very, very few. And most of them, they have an algorithm they use. They have a software they use, not just buying and selling. We get to that. Let's proceed. I'm a fund manager and algo trader, MKL4 programmer. I program trading bots. I code trading bots. So that's why I call myself an algo trader. Algo trader is somebody that uses algorithm to trade. I program different trading bots, and that is what I can actually show you in our academy. I can show you how you can code different trading bots. Do you know one of the sweetest things about coding a bot, knowing how to code bot? Let me just tell you a secret before we proceed. If you know how to code a bot, if for example you reach out to me, you want to code a bot, you give me your strategy. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying. If you know how to code bots, people will trust you with their strategy. People will come out to you playing, oh, this is my strategy. They will explain their strategy. You know how many strategy I've seen? People that will contact me, I want to code a bot, and this is my strategy. Write your strategy, explain it in detail. They will explain everything like they're explaining to a baby. So that for me to comprehend what they want me to program for them. So by doing that, you have access to a lot of strategy. Then you can filter, you can bring little from here, merge it together and design something for yourself that no one has ever had. Do you get? So that's one of the advantage of knowing how to code a bot. And I'm an algo trader, I code trading bot as I mentioned. And I have results. This is what I do tell people. I'm not just here making mouth, telling you things. I have results to show you of what I've done for myself. I can't be an algo trader without having results. I can't know how to code different software without having the results. So let me show you some of the things I've done for myself. Some of the software I've designed, their performance over the years, some for the past 3 years, for the past 2 years, 1 year, and so on and so forth. I will show you. I think I have 20 of them of software I've worked with, I've designed. So this is my profile. You can see MQL. This is my Forex book. And you can see this is my, you can see I log in, this is my profile. And this, under this profile, you can see different trading boards. You can see name, you can see gain. Do you get? You can see gain, you can see monthly return. So you can see what I've done over the year. You can see the deposit of different accounts I've worked with, I've managed, the bot I've designed, and so on. You can see this one calculus has done 11.111 percentage like that. You can see different returns of 800%. This is 1,004 different return on investment. Let me show you this premium, for example, because you are still going to go there. So you can see, let me show you month in, month out, so that you can see, for example, this one started in July. I think mid of July, it did 11% return on investment. This one did 24%, 23%, 21%. These are the return on investment month in, month out. Total return on investment, you see 113% return on investment from July till date. You can see this is a real account, this is not a demo account. Let me show you another one. Let me show you this. So you can see the return, the gain. This is 235% return on investment. And you can see it's a live account, to real account. You can see it's a real account, it's not a demo account. And this one has been running since 2024. You can see this one 15%, 5%, 9%. This year from January to date, 12, 13%, minus 4%. Just to tell you, I make losses too. So I make losses. It's not every time I make profit. But if you look at my graph, you see that I make more of profit compared to losses. And that is how to know a profitable trader, a good trader. Do you get? So you can see this. You can see this one I did 40% return on investment, 21% return, 19%, and so on and so forth. There are many of them I can show you. Many. Let me show you Centurium AI. Centurium AI, let's see the return on investment. You can see this one 5%, this is 4%, this one minus 4%, this is 5%, 3%, 2%, 7%. Even this month we've done 7%. In November has already done 7%. So it's as simple as that. So I have many. There's anyone that I can't, there's none I can't open for you to see. There is none I can open for you to see. Which other one should I show you? So I can keep on showing you as many as possible results. Let's see this card. So you can see this one 6%, 6%, 5%, minus 11%, 8%, and so on and so forth. Do you get? These are the results, monthly return on investment on this software that I have that is generating for me. I believe you get what I'm saying. So for me to have this kind of results that I can show you, and because if you call yourself a forex trader, you need to show them results, not just mouth. You don't go to investors and say I'm a forex trader. They ask you, show me proof, show me evidence, not empty for screenshot. And I can tell you, most of the places you've been to, none of them can show you this. I can tell you this with my full chest. No, none of them can show. They can show you screenshot on MT4 how they made $5,000, which they blown, that you might not even be aware of. But they can't show you consistent result like this. It's not possible. It's very few people that can show you this. You know why I'm saying this with confidence? Because I've worked with brokers, as I mentioned, and I can see what is going on behind the scene that most people are not aware of. People that can show you this kind of thing I'm showing you, they are very few, less than 5% people that can show you this. And I can show you how to fall or to be among these few people, few profitable trader. I can show you how to become a trader that can have consistent results, consistent performance like this I'm showing you. So I believe you want to listen to me. Let's proceed. So I've shown you my results. Now, what we are going to be learning today, as I told you, we are going to be learning a lot of things, new things, beautiful things. So why traditional trading fails? We are going to be looking at why trading, traditional trading, this buying and selling you do, why does it fail? How AI trading works, we are going to be looking at that. We're going to be having a live example of AI decision making, how AI plays trade and all that. You are going to be seeing a live example and a real lifetime case study. We are going to be doing that. Rule of successful automated trading. We are going to be doing that, and how to get started. We are going to be doing all this today. So let's proceed. I want you to look at this. I just typed this on Google. You can do that yourself too and check. So I type percentage of people that struggle with forex trading, and this is what Google give to me. So it said industry estimates suggest that 75 to over 90% of retail forex traders struggle. They are just making this up, like 75 to 90%. They are just making it up so that it won't look too impossible for you. Because they tell you that about 95% of retail traders lose money or struggle. You might not want to do it, like you have a slim chance. But I can tell you from the place of experience, people have seen, I can tell you over 95% of people struggle. I've seen a lot of traders, I've seen a lot of things. And do you know the sad part is that most of these traders they are so stuck with their old way of doing things. You can't talk to them, they believe they know it all. And if they come tomorrow, they will lose money. They fund again, they will lose money. They fund again, they will lose money. They will lose money to the essence that they will have nothing left because they are so stuck. They don't want to learn. They are not open-minded. And I'm happy that you are here. I believe you're open-minded. That's why you are here. Some people will never train this webinar because they are not open-minded like you. They believe they know it all. What will it teach me? What does it know in forex trading? Who is he? Those are the questions they'll be asking. And that is why they keep on losing money. So now that we've seen that about 90% of people lose money in trading, let me show you how you can fall among the less than 10% that are actually making money, less than 5% that are actually making money. And also, let me tell you, why do you think those people are actually losing money in trading? Why did you think they are losing money in trading? Number one thing I want to let you know is this: all the traders you've seen, because I did a lot of videos on this online. Some of you might have seen it. All the people you've seen regarding talking about trading, ask them, how do you do it? What they will tell you is that they place buy, they use smart money concepts, they use Fibonacci, they use indicators, they use fundamental, they do this, they do that. They click buy and sell manually themselves. And I can tell you more than 90% of traders you see out there, that's what they do. And what does that tell you? If majority of, they said about 90% of people are using lose money in trading or they struggle, and 90% of traders they are doing buy and sell. That should tell you that means the few people that are making money are actually doing something differently, not the regular buying and selling. I don't know, maybe you are following me. Not the regular buying and selling. That's not what they are doing. And I will show you why majority of traders that do buying and selling, why they fail. I'm going to show you today. The first reason why the traditional way of trading fail is because they trade with inherited, I call it inherited strategy. If you're a trader here, let me ask you, the strategy you are using currently, is it that you inherited it from Google or YouTube, or from a book you read, or from a mentor that cannot show you his performance, what he has done for himself, not the cars now? People can show you, okay, I bought this guy, I bought it from trading. People can say that. Let them show you results. Let them show you like their first book, the performance of what they've done for the past 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 1 year results. Ask your mentor that. They won't be able to show it. They will show him MT4. There's a lot of secrets. MT4 just showing you results 2,000 to 10,000. There's a lot of secrets hidden in that 2,000 to 10,000 that you don't know. Maybe the account has blown or almost blown that you don't know. Maybe there is a lot of trial and error, a lot of drawdown that you don't know. The only thing that can reveal it is like my FS book, for example, is an audited website that will audit all traders. Just put in your trading account there. It will audit it for you, tell you your performance, what you've done last month, 2 months ago. It tell you graphically. Do you get? And they can't show you that. So most people are using inherited strategy that has not been tested or proven that it's working. How sure that the strategy you are using is actually working? Because the strategy made you $500 last year does not mean the strategy is working. Because I've seen a lot of people doing that and it pisses me off. This strategy is very good. How sure are you that the strategy is good? Because the strategy making money today does not mean the strategy is good. The strategy end up blowing your account. And you get stuck with that strategy because the strategy has made you $500 before. So you get stuck with it. Like, this strategy is good. And maybe I didn't put stop loss. Maybe I slept off. Maybe I do this. But wait, let me ask you. When I was working for broker, most of the excuses most people do give, most, like I can tell you, 80% of people that lose money. My clients, when I call them, you know your account, you say, I slept off, I play straight and I slept off. Why do they sleep off? Like, can you imagine? So that is what I've been getting. That's the popular saying. People always sleep off when they lose money. You say, I didn't know, I slept off. And don't worry, I'll fund again. Lo and behold, they fund again, they will still blow it again. That has been the regular way out. And it pisses me off seeing people losing their damn money. See, don't misquote me. Did I lose money? Do I lose money? Yes, I lose money myself. Yes, I lose money. If I make more than I lose. I show you some months I make 11 minus 11%. I show you some months I make losses minus 4%. But I show you months I make 40%. I cover up for everything. So that's how trading should be. Consistency. Sometimes you lose money. Sometimes, yeah, it's possible. But in the long run, you should be able to account for the business you are doing. So if you have been doing this for more than a year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not yielding results. It's time to change your strategy, please. It's time, not your strategy, to change your approach. Because you change your strategy, you still use another inherited strategy. Maybe you are jumping from price action. You are going to, now you want to start using indicator. And somebody gave you Fibonacci, that you use Fibonacci or use or moving average. At the end of the day, you've not seen the proof that this strategy are actually working. So another one is human emotion. We are emotional, like human are emotional in nature. And the sad part is that your emotion, there is no school that can teach you how to manage your emotion. Emotion is the most difficult part of trading. That nobody can teach you how to manage your emotion. Your years of experience in trading cannot teach you on how to manage your emotion. A lot of things affect your emotion. Maybe you need to pay your rent and you place a trade, the trade is in negative, your account is about to blow. You be emotional. Let me stop it. I'm losing my rent. I'm doing this. You be emotional. So nobody can teach you to close eyes. Do you get? So we are emotional in nature, and this is the weakest, like this is the weakest point of human when it comes to trading. Human emotion. It is very difficult to manage. Over trading, a lot of people believe if I didn't buy gold, sell crude oil, place Euro USD, do this, I can't make money in trading. And that is what kills a lot of traders as well. Over trading. And another one is fear and excitement. I remember back in those days, around 2020, 2021, when I make money from trading, I'll be so excited. I'm making money. I'm so excited. Let me look for, let me make more, let me make more. At the end of the day, all the money I've made, I'll lose it back to the market. Then fear will now set in. I've lost this money. I need to get it back. I've lost this money. I'll keep on losing. So this has been like a norm of every trader. If you've not experienced this, you've never been a trader, because this has been the norm of manual traders. And also staring at charts. Even on Sunday in church, you see some people checking charts when the market is not moving, checking the Forex chart, not crypto now. People trading Forex, you see them checking Euro US on Sunday in church. When the market is closed, when the market is not moving, they are so addicted to checking charts. And the more you check the chart, the more you see what you are not supposed to see. So staring at charts is another. You can't just help it. It's difficult. You always feel there's something you are missing out. So you keep on checking the charts. Another one is the wrong timing. The wrong timing. If I tell you this, a lot of I taught my students in OTE Academy about it. The best time to trade, if you want to hear, the best time to trade in GMT now, because I don't know the country, maybe you're in Kenya, you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, anywhere you are. So let me put it in GMT. The best time to trade in GMT is 7 a.m. That is, yeah, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. No, 7 to 4 p.m. That's the best period to place buy and sell. Anything after 4 p.m. GMT, forget it, don't place trade. Wait till the following day. Any thing you see before 7 a.m. GMT, ignore it, don't place a trade. Or you thank me later. That's the best time to trade. Let me tell you the best day to trade. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the best day to trade Forex. You try that, you thank me later. Friday is the worst day. You can see manage Monday. Friday is the worst day to trade. You don't have a good system that can do the trading for you. Friday is the worst day to trade. But most people are not aware. If you look at most of your losses, if you check them, most of your losses, most of your strategy, they fail on Fridays. All the money you make from Monday, you end up losing it on Friday. If you have noticed it, you will see it. And also the last day of the week or the last day of the month is even the worst day. It's another worst day to trade. Last day of the month, you don't move near. Especially the last day of the month now fall on a Friday. Just know it's no no go area. So let's proceed. Another one is confusing indicator. You see some people, you see the way they pack indicators on their charts. Like you can't even see the chart, you can't see candle because of the indicator. They put this, they add this, they check that before they place buy and say at the end of the day they still lose money. They are not profitable. So these are the issues with traditional way of trading. These are the big issue. Lack of consistency. This one is normal. Lack of consistency. So these are the issues with you placing buy and placing sell. As you can see it. I know some people say, let me click buy, let me click sell. So these are the issue. So I jump into conclusion that charts are not the problem. The problem is human using the chart. So this chart you are seeing, this forex chart, is not the problem. The problem is you that you are interpreting the chart. That's where the problem lies. And I'm going to show you the way forward. I can't show you the problem without showing you the way forward. So let's see how trading bot AI works. We are going to see how trading bot works just to compare with human trading. So we check how AI trades compared to human. The market analysis. So AI will scan the market, identify the structure, trend, volatility, and so many things. Understand the price movement than human. You can't compare it. I know many of us know ChatGPT. Definitely, you will have had ChatGPT. You've not had ChatGPT by now. I don't think you're a trader because I've done a lot of videos on ChatGPT in the past. How to generate signal from ChatGPT. You can message me on WhatsApp. I can send the link to you to go and watch it. So if you've not heard of ChatGPT, you are not supposed to be trading because you are missing out. And a lot of people, a lot of things ChatGPT can do in less than 1 minute. You can't do it in 2 hours. That will do for you in 1 minute. So that's to tell you that AI can do more than human. They don't sleep, they don't get tired. They will do everything. The error you will make, they won't make it. They are not emotional. They don't have family they care about. They don't care about anything. They follow rules. So they analyze the market. I'm going to show you an example. Analysis, market analysis of AI, they are top notch. Do you get? You can't compare with normal you're doing offline. Another way is market execution, trade execution. AI enter trade automatically using coded rules. The instruction you given, when this happens, buy. When this happens, sell. They follow it to the latter. No emotion, zero emotion. When your strategy, maybe there's time to buy or to sell, you see it. Maybe you quickly go to the restroom. By the time this trade has moved, let me quickly enter. You see enter, but AI will not even miss that opportunity. If the AI should miss it, will not enter. We'll wait for another opportunity. Do you get? So that is better than human trading, definitely. Another one which I want to tell you is the risk management. AI will use the lot size given, use 0.01. AI will never change 0.01. Use this stop loss, 10 pips stop loss, take profit, 20 pips. AI will never change it. Auto compounding, AI will never change those instructions. But you will use 0.01, you use 0.1, you use 0.2, you use this, you use that. How will you be consistent in trading? And it's not your fault. It's let me say it's like a normal, it's like we human, like that's how we are designed. I don't know, maybe you get it. So AI follows a rule to the time, like follow the rule 100% of the time. Human don't, human cannot. AI will follow the rule to the latter, meanwhile, human can never do that. It's not possible because you say I'm not a bot. so I can make mistake. So you can't follow zero. So let me show you a demo of one of our AI. You see how it plays trade, enter the market, execute the market. Whether you are there, you are not there, it's trading for you. Let's do a demo. Come and see. So this is one of our trading bots. And let's just, because of time, let me just show you for just 1 month. Let's see the result. So we are putting, let's say $1,000. We are putting $1,000. This is what we call back testing. Before you use any AI, you need to know how to back test it. And these are the things we are going to show you in our academy. You should know this as a trader. So let's back test it. You can see the date 25. This is 2025 10/01 to 2025 10/31st. So let's just back test it. I will show you how it's going to place the trade. Now we'll go slowly just to see how the AI will place the buy and sell. Then we now do it fast because of time. So you can see the AI is looking for trade opportunity. This is how the market, this is how the AI will be in the market, looking for the opportunity. You can see the balance we are starting with here. So it's 1,000. We'll be looking for the opportunity. It's not placing trade. But if you are the one, you can say, you've identified this is double top. It's time to buy. It's time to sell, rather. Let me place sell. But the AI is looking for the opportunity in the market. See, where you're supposed to place sell, the AI is placing buy. And see, it made profit. You'll have placed sell here. Like, this is a double top. You will place sell, the market will sell. But the AI plays buy. And see, made profit. You will have lost this game here. I don't know, maybe you are getting, this is why people lose money in trading. Do you get, this is why people lose money in trading. Now the AI is looking for another opportunity in the market. You look for where you think I'm going to buy here. Maybe the AI will, depending on the algorithm the AI is using, the AI will place buy, will place sell, might not place the trade. If you see the trade there, you say, why is this AI placing there? This AI does not know how to trade. Not knowing that the one. So you can see the AI is not trading now. It's still looking for the market. It's looking for another opportunity in the market. Like, let's see, when would there be another opportunity? Like this place, now, if you're a trader, you can also place, you can place buy here, because you can say, okay, this is a resistance, there's a support around this region. You can say, okay, let me place buy. Yeah, place buy. But if you place buy, you put your stop loss below this place. If the guy is not taking, your stop loss will have gotten it. But the AI will manage it. So let's see how the AI is going to manage this trade now. Let's see, maybe this one will close in profit and see how the AI will manage it. So let's wait. So after this, I'll stop. You can see the profit the AI is making, or the loss the AI is making there. You can see we're using 0.01. So let's just see. Let's see. Wow, the AI has made another profit. You can see the $1,000 has gone to 1,039. So let me stop it and fast forward. Let me use another method just to see what the AI will make in just 1 month. Let me fast it. So let's just fast it. This one will be very fast now. This one will be very fast. So within a single overnight, it will show us in October what the AI will have made. Boom, it has finished. So if you look at it, the balance is what? 1,511. That means you have started with $1,000. Your $1,000 will have gone to 1,501 trading with AI. But if you are the one doing manual trading, it's possible you have blown this account. If you are the one, and see the total drawdown, you can see it here. The total drawdown is just 29%. And it made 50% for you return on investment. So I'll still talk about our bots later, but just pay attention to this. It made like 50%. Although this is aggressive. This is aggressive mode. Okay. So that's why we say we have aggressive, which is the high risk, we have the mid risk, we have the low risk. I'm going to tell you that when the time comes. So this is how AI places buy and sell. You don't have to do anything yourself. You don't have to be there. You don't have to, I don't know, maybe you get it. Once it has been set up for you, you just plug and play. When you are sleeping, the AI is trading. If you're on our WhatsApp group, you see me sometimes I say, waking up with this morning making $300. Waking up this morning, imagine waking up seeing $400. Because I don't need to stay in front of the system for the AI to place the trade for me. And this is the power of automation. You don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to stress yourself. You might have 9 to 5 job. You don't have to stay in front of chat for AI to place trade for you. Once everything is set up, you can focus on other things while the AI places the trade for you and do everything for you. Do you get? So this is the power of AI. This is how AI enters the market, place buy, place sell without stress. We can do everything for you. And we have plenty AI you can get with us. I will tell you a little about one of the AI we use here. So let's proceed. Let's go back to the slide. So we've done the demo. So let's continue. See, there are 3 rules of automated trading you need to know. Please pay attention to this. There are 3 rules you need to know. The first one, never interrupt the bot unless necessary. Unless necessary. Never interrupt the bot. One of the issues I do have with some of my clients is that I end up realizing that Pocket can actually place trade. Pocket can place trade. Pocket can close trade. I get that a lot from my clients. Like, oh, Mr. Ben, what happened? I saw trade in your account. He said, no, I didn't place it. Oh, is it not your bot? I said, no, it's not my bot, because all the bots, our AI, we put a tag to the trade just to differentiate the trade. We put a comment just to differentiate the trade from manual trading. So that small you not place it and say it's our bot that place it. So you put a tag there. So when they now say, maybe it's my pocket, maybe when I was sleeping, I just moved my hand like this, and maybe that was when the trade placed, I would just be laughing like, this is not like, I'm talking of grown-up men. This is not one person's 2, 3, 4. Most of my clients, I get this a lot from a lot of my clients. Even when I was still working, when I was working for a broker, is it that then? Is that man, I slept off? I didn't know when the trade placed. Maybe it was my pocket. Maybe it was my head, because I put the phone under my pillow. Maybe it was my head that placed the trade. I was like, Jesus, how will your head look for gold and place no other currency? Go and open gold and use this lot size, specific lot size with your head. So I get this a lot. So on the lighter note, don't interfere. When a trading bot is trading, don't close. Some people say, I saw it in profit, I closed it. They scatter the program. Please don't do that. That's the number 1 rule. The second one is avoid trading every pairs. Don't be jack of all trade, master of none when you are using trading bots. Focus on one. People that knows us, we don't mix bots together. If you are trading gold, we focus on gold. If you are trading currency, maybe AUD card, we focus on AUD card. If you are trading this, we focus on it. Not trading gold, trading Bitcoin, trading crude oil, trading everything. No, we don't do that. We don't do that here. We focus on just one. One. Another thing is use the right risk setting. For example, I told you when I was backtesting that bot for you, you use 0.01. I said it's aggressive. I know why I said it's aggressive. So if I say, let's use 0.02 now, instead of making 500, you can make 1,000 for me. Yes, of course, we can do that. You can do that for you for 4 months. You can make 4,000 for you. But do you know something? Some people we still live, they believe their trading account is their bank account. Let's say the bot has made 4,000 for you. You didn't place any withdrawal. Don't worry, leave it, let the money accumulate, let it keep on going. One day you will come back, because you are not using the right risk setting. It will wipe off all the 4,000, wipe it off to zero. Now say, I lost money in Forex, I lost money. The bot is not good. This is not. Number one, you didn't use the right setting. Number two, you are saving your profit in your trading account. Trading account is not bank. You don't save profit. You make profit from trading account, withdraw and move it to another account. Any money you pull out from your trading account is your money. Any money in your trading account is not yours until you move it out. So let me give you this as a bonus. Your trading account is not your bank account. Anytime you make profit, withdraw it and enjoy your profit. So these are the 3 rules. The number 1, never interrupt. Number 2, avoid trading multiple pairs, many pairs, and use the right settings. I know some people are greedy. I want to make all the money. This bot can make 500 in a month. Me, I want to make 2,000 for me. Trading is not done that way. If you want to be consistent in this game, it's better you use the right setting. So even though it's 200 is making for you every month, it's a lot. If you keep the money in the bank, imagine something giving you money without any input. If you own a business, you have to go to work, you need to ask staff, you need to do this, pay that, before you can even make even 10% profit from your company. Now you talk of you putting money somewhere without doing anything and it's yielding money for you. And that is the power of automation. Now let me talk about the bot I showed you earlier. So pay attention to this. The trading bot I showed to you earlier. I told the back there showed us 50%, over 50%. So this percentage I'm giving to you, I'm trying to cut it down. It won't look as if I'm overshooting. Do you get, or is it over promise under deliver, they call it. So I just cut it down. So this trading bot, depending on the risk settings that I just explained, that you put, which I'm going to explain, can give between 7 to 40% return. It can give more than that. 7 to 40%. Let me explain why 7 to 40%. So if you use a low risk that you want low risk, you don't want anything, your money, you want it to be there, you want everything to go smoothly for consistency, for long term trading, and you just want small profit, low risk can give 7 to 10% for you. And for low risk, your account can run for as long as almost forever. I don't want to say forever. Do you get it? Because it's very consistent, low risk. Then if you're not comfortable, you want to use medium risk, it has moderate profit. Banks cannot give you 15 to 20%. Banks cannot give you this return. 15 to 20% is a whole lot. If you have 1,000, you make 20%. That's $20. That's $200, which your banks cannot give you in a month, just 1 month. And if you want high risk, high return, you can get up to 40. You saw 50%. Some more you see 40%, some more you see 50%, some more you see 60%. But this one, I can't tell you that it can be sustained forever. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying. You know, it's high risk, high return. So when this person on low risk, let's say there is a drawdown, the account is a minus 100, floating loss. Or this one, let's say this one lose minus $100, you might be losing minus $400. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying. Because you are taking high risk, you have high risk, high exposure. When this one is losing $10, you can be losing $40. So just like that. So these are the risk parameters. Depending on the one you want, you can tell us we set for you. And to use this trading board, the minimum capital, like, if you want to do a business, you need to have capital. The minimum capital you need to have in your account is $100. Although I don't advise $100, I will tell you. You know why you don't advise $100? I will tell you. And the maximum capital is 2,999. If that's 2,199, that's the maximum capital we can set for this bot. If you have 3,000 above, we move you to what we call OTE Premium. OTE Premium VIP. Now it's OTE Premium VIP. You become a VIP client. And I'm going to tell you what you are going to benefit. Excuse me. So you can get this bot, this premium bot, for 6 months. You can subscribe for 6 months. For 6 months, all you just have to pay is $120. We set up, we connect this bot for you. VPS, everything, we undo that. So you don't need to pay any VPS. You don't need to monitoring of the account. We do all the management for you, all the maintenance, all the everything we do for 6 months. You just pay $120. Imagine you for 1,000 and you pay $120 for 6 months. Imagine you even do the low risk. You do low risk, yeah. For 6 months, low risk will give you an average of $600. High risk will give you an average of 1,002. Mid risk rather will give 1,002. Aggressive in 6 months will give you 2,004. And most of our clients, within 2-3 weeks, they've made back the subscription fee. And if you want it for 1 year, that one is cheaper, which is $200. For a whole year, it's $200. You subscribe for $200 for this bot. So we install everything for you. We do the sleepless night for you. We manage everything from our own server. We install everything to the cloud for you. You don't need to do anything from your own end. We handle everything for you. And don't forget, I told you that if you have $3,000 and above, you fall into our VIP, OTE Premium VIP. You don't pay subscription. You get subscription free. You don't pay subscription fee because you don't accept above 3,000 for this bot. So you don't pay subscription fee, but there is something you call profit share. So we do what we call profit share. Do you get? If you have above 3,000, you don't pay subscription fee. So we do profit share. And profit share is you do 30-70. You keep 70% of the profit, we keep 30%. And we are the one doing a whole lot. So you get 70% of the profit, we keep 30% of the profit if you are VIP, but you don't need to pay any subscription for that. And also, I know a lot of people have been saying OTE Academy that I want to learn. I've been seeing OTE Academy. I want to do it. I want to know what you are all about. So OTE Academy is a school of automation where you understand AI trading. We don't draw those lines, draw by years earlier. We don't do it in OTE Academy. Although we teach you because we want you to be a knowledgeable Forex trader, but we tell you they don't work. We show you what works. So understanding AI trading, setting of bots, anything you need to know how to configure the risk, anything you need to know about testing optimization, everything you need to know about trading bots, we teach you in our class. And the class is designed in such a way that you can start your course right away, you get it, and you become a successful, not just a forex trader, but a fund manager. You learn how to trade chartless trading, whereby you don't have to sit in front of chart and you be a trading like a trader, you'll be making money. You don't have to sit in front of chart. And access to premium strategy, learn EA coding, basic and more. You learn how to code trading bots. Most of our students, they know how to code trading bots, and this is the cap for it. The big one, the big one for you guys. So in the academy, once you subscribe, once you enroll for this academy, sorry, I said subscribe. Once you enroll for this academy, this one is not subscription you pay any month. No, it's just one-off fee and it's for lifetime. Once you subscribe, you have access to what we have a trading bot library. Is a private library on Telegram, whereby you have over 300 trading bots currently, about 340 something trading bots. So you have a lot of trading bots. And guess what? Most of our students, at the end of the class, they start coding, they start selling their own bots. They're editable bots. You change the name, you do different things with it, you can sell it, you can do different things with it. And how to use it, we'll have trained you on how to use it. So we have a lot of students selling bots, doing different things with bots over there. And you can always have access to me. You can always ask me, this bot, this, what do I say about this? I'm always available for you because you are my student. And yeah, I mentioned this. And for you to access the class, you just go to oteacademy.online. OTE Academy. Let me tell you, if you are from Kenya or you sign up through Facebook, if you fill a form, definitely you will have signed up, you will have registered. So if you go to oteacademy.online, just log in. So you log in with Forex1234 at capital letter F. Forex1234 at will be your password. Forex1234 at capital letter F will be your default password because you register online. So if you try to sign up and it's telling you your email, you have existing account or email already used, just know you have an account. You can reset your password and set a particular password for yourself and log in. Do you get? So that's how you do it. And when you get there, because you are here, this is a bonus for you. Use this code. It will give you 40% discount on the course. 40% discount. Use this code OTEACD25. OTE, that's OTE Academy Discount 25. So just use this code and let's go there. Let me show you. Okay, this is the website. So if you are coming for the first time, you can enroll here. You can see people, you can see testimonials of people. These are real people. You can listen to what they are saying. And even in the class, you see a lot of, so you can enroll, you can register here, or you can register here. So let's click this page. Just fill the form. This referral code, just leave it blank. You don't need it. You can put something there, but you don't need it. Just leave it. Or you can put OTE traders or anything. So you just fill it, your level of experience, you put everything and you register. But if you have, as I told you, if you are from Kenya or you sign up from Facebook, it's possible you have an account. You just click on login. You can try. So once you log in, let me log into this account. Let me log into this account. So you can see. So if you tell you welcome, you see welcome, you see that the account is not yet approved. Do you get it? And you can also see other students online. You can see students online, maybe reading or watching one thing or the other. So you can see the number of students online. You can see number of students. You can check it. You can register now. So you can check it while you're on this course or on this webinar. So you scroll down, you can see different review of people. You can see people dropping review. Do you get different review of people? Do you get? You can read review of different, and you can write your own review there and submit it. It will appear here once you are our student. Do you get? Once you are a student. So if you want to get this course, you just click on pay now. After you've paid, come back to this place, access to free trading bots. Click on this, please. See the link that will direct you to the Telegram group, whereby you see all the bots that I mentioned to you, over 300 and something of them. So pay now. You can click on this to pay. So once you come here, this money is in dollars, is this amount. You can pay in naira, you can pay even though you are in Kenya, you are in South Africa, you can pay with your card. It will be converted to your money. So the amount in dollars is 166.67. But don't forget, I told you a code that if you put the code which is OTEACD25. So you can see it has bring it down to $100. You go back to Naira payments and bring it down to $150. $150 is about $100. So you can pay with this paystack. Anywhere you are in the world, you can pay with paystack. You just go to this place. You can put your card details. You put your card details there, it's going to make the payment for you. You can put your card details there, put everything. Or if you're in Nigeria, you can do bank transfer. It's going to give you the account details where to pay into. If you want to pay with your bank, that will pay. You have USSD, you can pay with it. It's as simple as that. Once you pay, just you have sent the money, and the course will get unlocked for you immediately. The course will be unlocked for you immediately. And also, in case if you have anything, you can click on this place to chat me up. This place, maybe you pay, it has not unlocked for you. You can click on it. It will bring you to my chat. You can chat me up right away. So, and you can start your course. You just click this and you start watching the video. So you can see the number of people. We have 8 now. It's fluctuating as people are joining, people are leaving, and so on and so forth. We have a lot of students. And I can bet with you at the end of this course, you know how to make money from trading. You know how to make money from trading. I can tell you that for free. You know how to make money from trading. So let's continue. So don't forget to use this code. Don't forget to use this code. And also, you can check us across all the social media. You can check at OTE Traders on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere at OTE Traders. You see us. And you can chat me up on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. Some of you have been chatting me up. On Telegram, you can just send message to OTE Admin. You can send a mail to support at OTE Traders. These are parents, these are mother sites. So OTEtraders.com. You know, I told you we have OTE Trader, we have OTE Academy. So you can also go to OTEtraders.com. You can see some more information there too. So this is OTE Academy for your academy. And if you're in Lagos or you're in Nigeria, you want to come and visit us because we have an office where you can come. We have a big office you can always visit. So our office is at Oluwalogbo Motors, our Obafemi Awolowo Way, Alausa Ikeja. You can come there Monday to Friday. You meet us there. We are there. So on this note, I want to thank you so much for taking this time out today for attending this webinar. I'm very, very grateful. And I will see you in the next webinar. Stay cool. Don't blow your account. Stop blowing your accounts. Join OTE Academy. See the next webinar.